Chat GPT is a chatbot created by OpenAI that responds to user input using a huge language model called GPT, whose full name is Generative Pre-training Transformer. Chat GPT is made to converse with users in a friendly and human-like way, and it can respond to inquiries and offer details on a variety of subjects. Users can put a message or a question into a chat interface to utilize Chat GPT, and the program will produce an answer based on the data it has been trained on. Chat GPT can engage in discussions with several turns and branches because it is built to comprehend the context and meaning of the words it generates. While Chat GPT is a powerful tool for generating human-like text, it does have certain limitations. It is essential to keep in mind that while Chat GPT has several limitations, it still provides a significant benefit as a tool for natural language processing and conversation. In another video, we already discussed about top 5 limitations of Chat GPT. Press the I button at top right corner to view the video and find link in the description.